we have discussed in the previous lecture that on one line we can take infinite segments and all segments will have the same slope. यानी एक लाइन का स्लोप एक ही होता है. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि एक लाइन का स्लोप अगर 10 है तो आधी लाइन का स्लोप 5 होगा. हर जगह वो 5 ही रहेगा. स्लोप यानी चढ़ाई है. अब चाहे आप यहाँ ले लो, पहले 10 मीटर में ले लो या आगे के 100 मीटर में ले लो या और 2 किलोमीटर बाद में ले लो, एवरीवेयर द चढ़ाई विल बी सेम. Okay, so slope will remain same. So what I did, I drew one line on the graph paper and noted down 4 points of that line. Okay, and those 4 points are written here, and let us calculate with the help of these 4 points we can construct number of lines, number of segments. Segment AD can be there, segment DP can be there, PR can be there, DP can be there, DR can be there, RA can be there. So I have taken 4 segments. Let us calculate their slopes and let us observe what do we get. AD. So I have to use point A and point D and then apply the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1. So 4 minus 1 upon x2 minus x1. 7 minus 4. So this is 4 minus 1 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. The slope is 1. Let us do it for segment PR. Okay, this is equal to, again, AR and DR I'll write here. Slope of segment PR. Now I am using points P and R which are different than A and D. Okay. So let us take points P and R and calculate the slope. Again, the formula for calculation of slope is same. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So PR, so this point and this point, y2 minus y1. So I write here minus 2 minus of minus 4. Okay, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is minus 1. So what do you get? Minus 2 plus 4 upon minus minus plus, so 1 plus 1, 2. So what are you getting? 2 by 2 equal to 1. I told you that I took points from the same line. That is most important. Again, let us say calculate the slope of segment AR. So now point A and point R. Again calculate the slope by the same formula, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1, that is minus 1, upon x2, 1 minus x1, that is minus 4. Let us see what do we get. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. 1 minus 4 is also minus 3. This is equal to 1. Let us try it once more for DR. Segment DR, slope of segment DR. D is here, R is here. Let us apply the same formula. y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 4 upon x2 minus x1, 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7. What are we getting? Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. 1 minus 7 is minus 6. So, in all 4 places, what do you observe? That the slopes are same. That means if you take a single line, okay, then you calculate the slope here or by taking points here or by taking points here. Anywhere you take 2 points and calculate the slope, you will find that the slope will always be same. Slope will always be same. So we come to the conclusion that every line will have a unique slope. Okay. Let me express the conclusion in the manner which we will need to solve the examples. So if I say that there are 3 points on the same line, then let us say A, B and C. Then the slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC. Okay? What will be the converse? If slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, then these 3 points are collinear. Okay, let me tell you what I mean to say. If I take 3 points on a line, A here, B here and C here. So slope of segment AB and slope of segment BC will be same. I am explaining or expressing my conclusion in terms of if then. If 3 points are collinear, then slope of segment AB will be equal to slope of segment BC. इसकी जितनी चढ़ाई होगी उतनी ही चढ़ाई इसकी भी होगी. Alright? Now the converse will be if slope of segment AB is equal to slope of segment BC, then we can say that. See, there is some secret thinking involved in it. If slope of segment AB, यानी AB का जो slope है, जो चढ़ाई है, वो ही BC की रहेगी, तो B और C भी एक ही लाइन में आ जाएंगे, क्योंकि AB और BC दोनों की स्लोप AB और BC तीनों पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर हो जाएंगे, है ना. लेकिन अगर C बाहर चले गया तो AB का स्लोप अलग आएगा और BC का स्लोप बदल जाएगा. सो व्हेन द स्लोप्स आर नॉट इक्वल, those segments will be not collinear. ये सेगमेंट एक लाइन के ऊपर रहेगी और ये इधर चली जाएगी. But if they are collinear, then whatever slope you get here, same will be the slope here. We have to use the converse of this. You will be given 3 points, A, B, C, above, whether it is ABC or PQR or XYZ, anything. So you calculate the slope. Suppose given points are PQR. So you calculate the slope of PQ and slope of QR. If both the slopes are equal, you will say that 3 points are collinear. If the slopes are not equal, they are not collinear. Because there are problems like this in our textbook. Okay, so if at all the question is asked like this, then you have to calculate the slope of first segment, then the continuous segment. If their slopes are equal, you will say that points are collinear. If they are not equal, not collinear. We will use this information to solve the examples.